Looking for the best battery-powered Ring doorbells in 2025? In this video, we review the top 3 Ring video doorbells that offer crystal clear video, motion detection, two-way audio, and easy wireless installation. Whether you want enhanced home security, smart alerts, or a sleek modern design, these Ring models deliver top performance and reliability. Stay tuned as we compare features, battery life, and value to help you pick the perfect one. Number 3. The Ring Battery Doorbell, newest model. In Venetian bronze is a smart, stylish, and powerful upgrade for home or business security. Featuring 66% more vertical coverage with head-to-toe video, it lets you see visitors from head to toe and even spot packages on the ground. The built-in rechargeable battery, powered via a USB-C charging port, makes recharging simple. Just attach, charge, and click back into place. Installation is quick, and once connected to Wi-Fi, you can enjoy live view, two-way talk, and motion detection alerts right from your phone. Smart alerts can even distinguish between people and packages with a Ring Protect subscription. Users love its clear video quality, both day and night, and praise its sleek, modern design. One reviewer highlighted the easy setup, adjustable viewing angles, and excellent night vision. Another appreciated upgrading from an older model, noting improved clarity, reliability, and ease of installation. This model works seamlessly with Alexa, enabling voice-activated monitoring and instant video access via Echo devices. While the Ring Protect subscription unlocks extra features like 24/7 recording and advanced alerts, the core functions work impressively out of the box. Whether for home or business, the newest Ring Battery Doorbell delivers reliable security, crystal clear footage, and effortless control, making it a top pick for 2025. Number 2. The Ring Battery Doorbell Plus, newest model, delivers a complete home entry monitoring solution with impressive head-to-toe HD plus video. This expanded field of view ensures you can see visitors from head to toe and even spot packages on the ground. Motion detection with customizable privacy zones allows you to tailor alerts to your needs, while color night vision keeps you informed after dark. One standout feature is the Person Plus package alerts, available with a Ring Home subscription, sold separately, which provides instant notifications when packages are detected within your designated zone. Powering the unit is a convenient quick-release battery pack, making recharging simple without removing the entire device. Setup is generally straightforward via the Ring app, although some users noted needing to tweak phone settings for a smooth start. Once operational, the doorbell offers excellent two-way communication, crisp visuals, and wide coverage of both visitors and parcels. While rare connectivity drops and minor geofencing glitches have been reported, they don't overshadow the device's overall reliability. Integration with Alexa adds hands-free control, motion alerts on Echo devices, and live video streaming on Echo Show or Fire TV. Combined with its easy installation, robust video quality, and smart alerts, the Ring Battery Doorbell Plus is an excellent upgrade for modern home security. Number 1. The Ring Battery Doorbell Pro, newest model, is Ring's most advanced battery-powered doorbell, designed for homeowners who want top-tier security and clarity. Featuring stunning 1536p head-to-toe HD plus video, it provides an expanded field of view so you can see visitors from head to toe and keep an eye on packages at your doorstep. Its standout feature, 3D motion detection with bird's eye zones and bird's eye view, allows you to set precise motion areas up to 30 feet away, displayed on an overhead map of your property. This ensures you only get alerts that matter. Enhanced low-light sensors deliver sharp, full-color video even after dark, so security doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Package alerts, available with a Ring Protect subscription, notify you instantly when a delivery is detected, while two-way talk with Audio Plus lets you communicate clearly with visitors from anywhere. Powered by a quick-release battery pack, recharging is quick and hassle-free. Installation is simple, and users praise its crystal clear daytime and nighttime footage. One reviewer even joked that their postman now enjoys starring in doorstep films. Combined with Alexa integration for announcements and live viewing, the Ring Battery Doorbell Pro offers professional-level security, convenience, and peace of mind for any home. Thanks for watching our top 3 best Ring Battery Doorbells review in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smart home and security gadget reviews. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay safe, stay smart, and we'll see you in the next video.